With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, let's start the question. The ratio of the shortest wavelength of two spectral series of hydrogen spectrum is found to be about 9. The spectral series are. So this refers to the very popularly known hydrogen spectrum experiment, yes, and there were these 5 series which were formed, yes, and with respect to these series, this question has been asked. Hailing from physical chemistry, we need to recall the very first thing is the Rydberg equation, yes. Now, what is the Rydberg equation and how does it serve us over here? So the Rydberg equation says that 1 by lambda is equal to RH, which is the Rydberg's constant, upon h into c, Planck's constant and your speed of light, into 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. Yes? Or we can directly say that 1 by lambda is actually directly proportional to this difference of 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. Yes? Now, as it has been said over here, we are having the shortest wavelength. Okay, we are analyzing the shortest wavelength, which actually means it would be talking about the highest energy. Yes, highest energy spectral line, you would say. And since it is highest energy spectral line, obviously that implies that N2 is equal to infinity. Okay, taking for these concepts, let us solve. So the first option says that it's Lehman and Paschen. Now for Lehman, N1 is equal to 1, okay, and for Paschen, N1 will be equal to 3. Yes, so accordingly, let us lay it down. So lambda of Lehman's, yes, so it's going to be lambda of Lehman. So for abbreviation, let me use L, capital L for Lehman, upon lambda of Paschen, that is P, will be equal to 1 upon n1 square. So 1 upon Paschen's n1 value, that is going to be 3 square minus 1 upon infinity square. Since 1 by lambda is directly proportional, isn't it? And that is the reason we are going to put it in an inverse manner. Yeah. So 1 upon 1 square minus 1 upon infinity square. I hope you are getting this point. Yes. So this is going to be 1 upon 9. Yes. Since this is going to be 1 upon 9 minus 0 and 1 upon 1 minus 0. So that's going to be 1 upon 1, that is 1 itself, and 1 upon 9. As we go up in the numerator, it becomes the reciprocal and hence it would be written like this. Yes, so 1 upon 9. Now what next? Next is your Balmer and bracket series. Yes, for Balmer, N1 is going to be equal to 2 and for bracket, N1 will be equal to 4. Okay, so we are going to abbreviate Balmer as B and bracket as BK. Okay, let us abbreviate it as BK and accordingly we solve. So bracket would be in the numerator and Balmer would be in the denominator. Since it's 1 by lambda is directly proportional to this, so obviously it would be the reverse. Yes, so bracket is 1 upon n1 is, n1 is equal to 4. So 1 upon 4 square minus 1 upon infinity square divided by 1 upon 2 square minus 1 upon infinity square. Yes, so that's become 1 upon 16 into 4 upon 1 and that makes it 1 upon 4. I hope you understood this. Yes. Advancing forwards, bracket again comes up over here wherein n1 will be equal to 4 and for fund n1 will be equal to 5. Yes. So accordingly, let us proceed. So lambda of bracket upon lambda of fund. For fund, I would be using PF. Okay. Now, P has already been used for Paschen and that is the reason we are using it this way. So bracket upon fund would be 1 upon 5 square minus 1 upon infinity square divided by 1 upon 4 square minus 1 upon infinity square. So that is going to make it 1 upon 25 into 16 upon 1. So that is going to make it 16 upon 25. Yes. And now comes the last one. Yes. So the last one is going to be passion and fund. So passion is P and fund is going to be PF. Now for passion, what is N1 value, guys? N1 value is going to be 5. Yes. Oh, sorry. For passion, right? Okay, let me just write this properly. So for passion, of course, the N1 value is going to be 3. And for fund, it is going to be 5. So 3 square minus 1 upon infinity. Oh, sorry. This is going to be again. Yeah. So 5 square because fund is in the denominator on the left hand side. Yes. And 1 upon 3 square minus 1 upon infinity square. So this would make it 1 upon 25 into 9. So this will become 9 upon 25. Yes. So as you can see over here, it's 1 upon 9, 1 upon 4, 16 by 25, 9 by 25. Yes. So which obviously means we have already got the answer. The ratio of the shortest wavelength is found to be 9. Yeah. So in that case, it is obviously going to be layman and passion itself. Yeah. Because we have got it over here. So option number 1 is the correct one. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.